In this video, I'll show you how to set the default variation for the variable product in WooCommerce. And as an example, let's take a look at the coffee table product on my site. As you can see, it comes in 4 different sizes: small, medium, large, and X large. Usually, WooCommerce does not pre-select a specific variant when customer visits the product page. It just only shows they choose an option. So if you want a specific variant like medium to be pre-selected by default, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. At first, let's log into WordPress admin, then hover on products, then select all products. Now locate the product in question. In my case is this one, coffee table, then select edit. Once the product editor loads, at the top right corner, click on screen options, and then set the checkmark for this option, product data, then scroll down, look for the product data section, and then click on variations. Right in here, look for the default form values, click on dropdown. In my case, let's select the medium variation, and then save the changes. Then scroll all the way to the top, and then click on update. Now let me go to my website. Let's go to shop page. Now let's try opening the coffee table product one more time. And as you can see, the medium variation is now pre-selected by default when customers visit the product page. So as usual, I hope you found this video useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.